Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. We always like to keep scented and fragrant flowers in our garden. Breathing flowers can lower our anxiety and reduce depression. Floral fragrance can improve your memory, helping you retain more information if you are learning something new or having a test. You must have seen many scented flowers in a rooftop garden, and today we are going to talk about one specific scented flower. That plant is the tuberose plant, and we have already made a video about this plant before. Rajnigandha, called tuberose in English, is a bulbous perennial flower belonging to the Agabaceae family. It's also known as Nishigandha. You can see so many tuberose flowers in our garden with so many plants too. Did you know that my mom only bought 4 bulbs 6 years ago? What my mom does is preserves these bulbs from next year. There are 3 types of Rajnigandha. First is single flowered Rajnigandha, second semi-double flowers Rajnigandha, third double flowered Rajnigandha. Before, we had already uploaded a video on this and about the requirements needed by this plant. But still, let's see today the soil requirement for growing Rajnigandha. Rajnigandha plants needs well-drained soil. If you have regular garden soil at home, mix it with peat moss, compost or other organic material. Okay, now let us answer some frequently asked questions. The first question is, can we plant Rajnigandha plant at home? Yes, you can plant Rajnigandha at home, but this plant needs temperature of 21 to 26 degrees Celsius. And regarding soil, Rajnigandha needs well-drained soil for growing at home. Second question, how long does Rajnigandha take to flower? Rajnigandha's bulbs bloom 90 and 120 days after planting if they require adequate sunlight and fertilizer. When should I plant Rajnigandha bulbs? Growing Rajnigandha bulbs from seed bulbs are quite easy. It is the best to sow these bulbs just as the spring season begins in March. You have saw that my mom had been trimming these plants. This is because my mom even wants some more flowers to bloom on this plant. So for more blooming, there should be fertilization of the plant. And you all know before fertilizing the plant, digging is the must. So let's see what fertilizers my mom gives for this plant. And let's see, after giving these fertilizers, will my mom actually get flowers from the plant? You must have all guessed this fertilizer. Yes, this is the kitchen waste compost. Now you all must know that what is kitchen waste compost and how do we make it even. This kitchen waste compost can give your plant any micro or macro nutrients needed. If you want to know how to make your own kitchen waste compost, there is a video in the end screen, so you can watch it. Another very simple but efficient liquid fertilizer is rice water. My mom gives it every day to the plants, and you can also give it to your plant every day if you like. Let me also answer some other questions you all might have. You might all ask, what about the flower pests and diseases? There are a lot of pests and diseases your Rajnigandha plant might have, like aphids, stem rot, bud rot, etc. But if you use organic fertilizer, the chance of your plant having any diseases or pest attacks will be lowered. Look, after trimming it second time, so much flowers are there. If you also take care of your plants like this, I am sure you'll also get this many flowers from your plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Bye bye.